In this game called life, your habits and your personality is what dictates whether you're going to be successful or not. Meaning, if you are an impatient person in life, I guarantee you're impatient in your investments as well. I want you to think about that. Welcome back to Grow Rich, Grow Happy, the place where we follow those breadcrumbs of wealth. And what I want to talk about today, guys, is Aerodrome Finance. I'm going to talk about Aerodrome Finance, but this conversation we're about to have is really going to be about the entire crypto market, but we're going to focus on Aerodrome Finance because I want to show you guys something. And it's going to prove that I know what I'm talking about when it just comes to tokens like Aerodrome Finance and just the overall market, period. So, if this is your first time here and you are looking for a channel or a community where you can start knocking down or chipping away at some of your long-term goals of financial freedom and success, then you've come to the right place. We have a wonderful community here. Furthermore, I want to thank all of the new subscribers. I look forward to hearing your strategies, tokens you hold, and just your whole outlook on life, period. This is a wonderful, wonderful community. I ask that you smash that like button, drop a comment. I love chatting with you guys. And above all else, make sure you hit that bell notification so that you don't miss a video. So without further ado, let's jump over here and let's talk some Aerodrome Finance. That's one of our tokens we love here. Okay? And before I do that though, I do want to jump over here to the crypto market in general. And I want to talk about something. I want to say yesterday when I did a video, when I did a couple videos actually, uh, the market was at 48, the fear and greed. And look at it now. I said at 57. Talk about a jump. Do you see now what confidence does? With what, when people start feeling a little bit more confident about the market, and it's not just the crypto market, it's just the entire stock market and everything. Do you see what it does to Bitcoin and what it does to prices? Look at Bitcoin's at 64,000 now. It's like done took off because of a lot of things with current events that's going on. But I promise you, we're going to talk about Aerodrome Finance, so we're going to do that. Look at this. Aerodrome Finance is up to 85 cents. 85 cents. Now, I want to show you guys something. I had to jump back a full, I'm just going to use this month. Look at this. What's the date? Today's date is we're looking at the 16th, July 16th. Guys, just at on July 5th, Aerodrome Finance was down to 41 cents, and a lot of people were shaking in their boots. Well, why this is important is because if this is your first time to crypto, or even some of my veterans out there, you even were getting scared. I know a lot of people, you don't even have to tell me, I know a lot of people gave up on the Aerodrome Finance liftoff and they just said, you know what, I'm cashing in, I'm taking my losses, and I'm move on to something better. Well, I hope you really didn't do that, but I know a lot of people did that because it might have been your first time in crypto. I know a lot of you guys put a lot of money into Aerodrome Finance and you did it at the height of when the height of the hype. When all of that was going on, that's when you was putting a lot of money into Aerodrome Finance. And when it dropped to these levels right here, 40 cent. I mean, my bag, I was getting close to giving all of my profits back because I told you I got in around 31, somewhat 31, 38 cent. A lot of my profits had been given back, but I didn't sell because what did I always tell you guys? I said nothing changed with the project, and that's something you got to be mindful of. And then you jump over here to the 7 day and just look how Aerodrome Finance strapped on their boosters and just took off. On the 13th, boom, boosters, Aerodrome Finance. And then you go to 1 day, and look where we're sitting now. We're at 85 cent. And if you come down here, their all-time high is $2.33. and that's really 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 good. But their all-time low is 7 cent, and a lot of people just thought it was just a busted token when nothing has changed. And this is why I consistently don't run from the pressure when everything is down. And a lot of these tokens that we all have or had conviction in, I'm always confidently able to come back and say, just hold up, just wait, just wait. This is crypto. This is what happens. This is absolutely normal. And those of you new to it, see how fast it can turn around. But if you notice, it doesn't turn around on its own. It turns around with things like Bitcoin and the things that's been going on in current events with presidential candidate Donald Trump getting ready to speak at the Bitcoin conference. And for all intents and purposes, first person of that magnitude that's really bullish on crypto and just really has his arms wrapped around crypto, regardless of what you think, it's still something. You have BlackRock, Larry Fink, their CEO, with his sentiments and his comments on Bitcoin. All of these things helps the entire crypto market. Remember what I said? Bitcoin is that party goer. It is the big celebrity that says, all of my friends and their friends, come on, we getting in this party, even though I'm the only one that they were expecting to show up, or the only one that they've given a pass to. It just goes with the territory. Everything with it gets to be chauffeured in, even tokens that shouldn't really come to the party. They're going to come to the party because Bitcoin is accepted now. So you look at Aerodrome Finance and you say nothing's changed. It's a great project. Shall I say it's a great market maker, just like Velodrome. So you look at this, and my message to you guys today, just from looking at all of this and looking at where we could go, we was talking $10, $20 from Aerodrome Finance. Just because it dropped down to 41 cent doesn't mean the party's over. It doesn't mean the party's over. Nothing has changed at all. Yes, everybody talks about the tokenomics and everything. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. People will say down in the comments, it does matter. It does matter. It didn't matter when it was at $2.33. So it doesn't matter now. That's my stance on that. So I really hope a lot of you held strong, because if you got in and over a dollar, and you jumped out the market maybe at 50 cent, then that's shame on you, because you really took some losses when this is a roller coaster ride. And I think the biggest thing, and well, I'll wait till we get up close and personal, because I do have a message for you guys. But before I jump over there, I want to let you guys know, those of you that are new to the channel, you can get Aerodrome Finance on Coinbase Exchange. That is the app, not the wallet. You can get it on Aerodrome, on Coinbase Exchange. You can get it on Uniswap, Gate.io, Crypto.com. It's everywhere. It is everywhere. Coinbase backs them. This is not just some meme token or whatever. It has solid utility. Base network is going to be huge. Look at all of the tokens and different things that they're bringing to base. They actually have some of the top meme tokens like Brent. So nothing's changed. Nothing at all. So you look at an $85 token price right now, just right now, you take that, and then you look at the point that the bull cycle, or the altcoin season, shall I say, is just now getting underway. I guarantee we're going to go, and I hate to guarantee because this is not financial advice, but if you can't see them going over $2.33, man, why are you even in the token? Why are you even in the token? Because $2.33, it did that just 3 months ago. And now, with all of this positive news, this is coming out for the whole crypto community, we should be able to double that to $4. Now, I will say this, and I will get over here personal for this. I will say this. You guys always make sure you're taking your profits. Take your profits, especially those of you who have ungodly amounts of money into some of these plays. I would never tell you to hold all the way up to the top. At least take out what you put in. That's a good rule of thumb. Take out at least the money that you put in. And then that's once you get up to some nice profits, and then you can take that money, you can do what you want with it. But I think always a good rule of thumb is you take out what you put in, you take that, and then maybe you can spread that out and get in some of these other plays that you've been wanting to get in. Ondo Finance, Math Token, Caspa, XDC. It's a lot of tokens out there. I can't just name one, but then you can get off into some of these tokens. Now, the thing what I want to say is, you guys, when it comes to this crypto market, you really have to strap in, because right now everything is looking good. Everybody's looking at their wallets. I'm pretty sure they're looking at their wallets. I'm sure these dopamines are going crazy now. They're feeling all good. You have to remember, we're going to get another dip. It's inevitable. We're going to get another dip. But what I want you to learn from this dip is crypto goes in cycles. It's going to go up and down. But you have to watch Bitcoin. You have to want Bitcoin to be successful. You have to. Now, the one thing I will say, I guarantee it's a lot of people now trying to pick up some more Aerodrome finance. And if you are, shame on you. Shame on you. Because the time to really pick it up was around the 40 something cent, 50 something cent. You want to get in at those low prices. And I really hope that this lesson today is okay. I may have gotten scared when it dropped down to 41 cent and just backed off of crypto totally because I had such a large amount into the token. However, next time this happens, I'm going to remind myself that just be patient. Be patient and just buy a little bit more. And I ain't saying fill your bag. This is not financial advice. I'm not saying go and buy like $1,000 worth or anything like that. But you have to work in the habit of buying when everybody else is not buying. And the best way to do that, I say, is buy maybe $10 or $20 worth. And then it'll get a little bit easier. It'll get a little bit easier to change that habit of just staying away when everybody else is staying away. And then you'll be able to come in, you'll start slowly getting a little bit more confident and buying more crypto when everybody else is running away, especially with Aerodrome Finance. This is a solid project. I still believe in the project. I still hold my whole bag. I bought some when it was down to the 41 and 40, 50 cent range. I added more to my bag because why run now? Why? Nothing has changed about the token. So with that, I hope you guys really, especially my beginners, I hope you are starting to now see how crypto works and how you seriously make the money in crypto. It's when things are down. But I guarantee it's a lot of people out there now. Then which is why it's up. A lot of people are buying Aerodrome Finance right now. They're buying it because now they're suddenly like, oh, now it's a great project again when nothing has changed in the first place. To the next one, guys. I'm out.